おいしそうだ means looks delicious. おいしい which means delicious has two patterns of speech accent. おいしい and おいしい both of them are good. So we can say おいしそうだ and おいしそうだ both of them are good. おいしそうだおいしそうだ It means I've heard it's delicious.
Sorry, I forgot to show the other pattern on this whiteboard. おいしそうだおいしそうだ It also means I've heard it's delicious. When we use flat style, おいしい delicious, おいしそうだ looks delicious, おいしそうだ I've heard it's delicious. When we use 起伏 style, おいしい delicious, おいしそうだ looks delicious, おいしそうだ I've heard it's delicious. All of them are good. The pitch accent isn't the most important part here. It's crucial to pronounce the last E clearly in おいしい. That way it will be more understandable.
So we can say, Google によると、この店イタリアンが美味しそうだ。あ、ほんと、美味しそうだね。Don't worry about it too much. This is just an example for the Japanese pitch accent. Japanese people usually understand the meaning by its context, so don't worry about it too much. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。